Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, Canada, and I also share my daily market analysis on the important currency pairs like Australian dollar, Euro USD, and so on. So today I'll be analyzing the Australian dollar Canadian dollar for 26 Feb 2021 Friday. Okay. So this video is for Friday only, 26 Feb. Okay, and so let's jump into the screen. And if you have watched my yesterday's video and day before yesterday's video, then I'm pretty sure that you have made great money on Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Remember, I told you that this level of 9990 will be the decisive level. Okay, and if you watch my video, then probably you have shorted the market here and you have made a good amount of money. So right now we can see that after that market could not break the decisive level, and from there market reversed. Market started falling, and just look at the selling pressure. In fact even I was not expecting, to be very honest, I was not expecting that selling pressure will be this high. Okay, but right now we can see that there's too much pressure. Okay, so we just need to look whether this level, okay, this level of 0.9822, okay, this level will able to provide support or not. Right now market is trading at 0.9832. Mhm. So we just need to wait for 0.9822. So you just wait whether market will be able to provide support or not. Okay, this is the decisive price level right now. Okay, resistance is there. Okay, resistance is there. So we need to look right now whether market, when market will hit this point. Market has almost come down to the support zone, and the selling pressure is still very high. Okay, so we just need to know whether market reverses from here, or the selling pressure becomes imminent and market breaks this support. In case market breaks the support, then I'll say that you don't need to trade. Okay, because today is Friday. Okay, and already there's too much selling pressure on the market. In case market reverses from here and market goes to this level somehow, okay, then you can again short the market here if market reverses from there. Suppose market goes up from here, it's this level at 0.999, and market faces resistance. Again, if it starts coming down, then you can short the market. And today I don't think so there market will have the buying pressure to cross this level. Okay, and we can see that on the Forex chart, market is getting some small amount of support at this particular level. So this level is what we need to look for. And right now market is already in oversold zone, so this is not the ideal place to execute a trade. Suppose you go ahead and sell it. Okay, then where will you put the stop loss? Okay, your risk to reward ratio will not match. Okay, to make money from the market you need to have discipline, and this is against the discipline. Okay, without discipline you cannot protect your capital, and without capital we cannot earn money. So this is not the right place to execute the sale order right now. This was the place when I told you yesterday, but this is not the place today. In case it reverses from here, still I'll tell you that do not buy, because just look at this selling pressure. Okay, so from here buying will not be a wise decision for the day. So what you should do, you can do one thing. You can use a moving average like 20-point moving average. If market gives you a good reversal, okay, good reversal with um, good amount of buying power by the bulls, then you can go ahead and buy if you get the correct price. And how will you get the correct price? You will get the correct price only when the market will be in oversold zone. Okay. Suppose market moves move to 0.9879, and after that market reverse comes down a little bit to cool off, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, but when there are multiple pairs available, then why you should take the risk? Stay with the discipline. Do not compromise with the discipline if you want to be in the market for long term. Okay, so this is the zone market should get the support. Okay, this is a decisive zone. If you're already in a position with all Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I'll say that you can come out of it easily. Okay, do not be too much greedy. Discipline is the main thing that keeps a trader afloat on the market. Okay, there are multiple pairs available right now. You should not trade. Okay. Stay away from it. You can again short the market if market reverses from here. That's a different chapter. But right now, market the risk to reward ratio will not match for you. Okay. If market reverses also from here, okay, just by looking at the selling pressure, I'll tell you that stay away from the market. Today you may make money. Okay, today you may make some couple of bucks, but in the long term, okay, in the long term, this wrong teaching will hamper you. Okay, so therefore stay away from it. So this is the analysis for AUDCAD for Friday 26 Feb 2021. Okay, this is it. Thank you so much. Hopefully you all have understood my logic, and please do not mind if I've hurt you. uh, Discipline is very much essential. Okay, without discipline you cannot protect your capital. Okay, capital protection is the main motive, should be the main motive of every trader. And hopefully you'll have understood. And if you have liked my video and found the video informative, please give a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always come down morning with my daily analysis so that you can get some knowledge, and so that helps you to take your trades. Thank you so much and good luck.